Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Today we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. First up, what is affiliate marketing exactly? How can you make money by becoming an affiliate? If you are unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, the concept is pretty simple. Promote products or services on your website, add special links to those products or services in your content. When your follower click those links or purchase products after clicking those links, you get a cut of the profits from the merchant. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it will take effort to make money using strategy. It's a great way to make passive income. While you're off working at your full-time job, your affiliate links and website posts will be working in the background. You could be looking at a passive income cash cow. You don't need marketing experience to become an affiliate, though a bit of SEO knowledge. You can do it in your free time, with only a bit of time and money investment up front, setting up a website, getting set up with affiliate programs, and creating content with your affiliate links. You can start making money. In the world of affiliate marketing, John Chow is a superstar. In 2 years, he was able to ramp up his blogging income from nothing to $40,000 per month. Reading his advice and tips is a great idea if you want to supercharge your affiliate marketing. I hope you guys will find this video informative and explanatory. Don't forget to like and subscribe.